If I told you there's a heating pad that could melt away your stress in under a minute, would you believe me? Probably not. I didn't either, until this thing literally changed how I feel after every workday. This isn't your grandmother's heating pad. This is the future of pain relief, and it's right here in my hands. Let's be honest, we all carry tension in our shoulders. Whether you're sitting at a desk for 8 hours, staring at screens, carrying bags, or just dealing with life stress, that stiffness in your neck, those knots in your upper back, they build up over time. You've tried regular heating pads, but they leave cold spots. You fall asleep with them and wake up burned. Or worse, they just don't get hot enough where you actually need it. Sound familiar? Yeah, I've been there too. Meet the Lenmen Graphene-Infused Heating Pad. And no, that's not just a fancy marketing term. Let me break down what makes this different. First, look at this heating coil, 354 inches long. That's 150% longer than what you'll find in ordinary heating pads. What does that mean? Faster heating, wider coverage, and no cold spots whatsoever. Within 1 minute, heat distributes evenly across every corner. But here's where it gets really interesting. This pad is infused with graphene. Graphene releases infrared rays similar to what your own body produces. So when this heats up, it's not just warming your skin, it's penetrating into subcutaneous tissues, reaching those deep muscles that regular heat never touches. We're talking 3 times deeper heating effect. That's not just marketing, that's science. Now let's talk features, because this thing is loaded. 6 temperature settings from 108 degrees Fahrenheit to 144 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can find your perfect warmth level. 4 auto-off timer options from 30 minutes to 2 hours, so you can fall asleep without worrying. The design? Unlike other heating pads with single directional wiring, this has both vertical and horizontal wiring. That means it conforms to your body contours instead of feeling like a stiff board around your neck. The edges are filled with keep warm ceramic beads, so even the edges stay toasty. And you can use this anywhere: neck, shoulders, back, waist, abdomen, legs, arms, whatever needs warmth. The fabric is this incredible micro plush flannel. It feels luxurious, and when it needs cleaning, just remove the controller and throw it in the washing machine. Easy. Don't just take my word for it. Thousands of customers are already experiencing this relief. One buyer said, and I quote, "I've tried so many heating pads, but nothing compares to how this wraps around my shoulders. The heat goes exactly where I need it." Another one writes, "The graphene technology is real. I felt the difference in my muscle knots within days." These aren't paid reviews. These are real people finding real relief. So here's the bottom line. Whether you're dealing with chronic tension, post-workout soreness, stress buildup, or just need some warmth to relax, this heating pad delivers. It's not just a product, it's daily relief you can count on. Perfect for gifts too, comes with a greeting card included. Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthdays, Christmas. Everyone deserves this kind of comfort. Link is in my bio. Your muscles have been waiting for this.